Hey, it's Christy from JB Hi-Fi here, and let's check out the latest robovac from Ecovacs, the DEEBOT X8 Pro Omni. If vacuuming and mopping feels like a never-ending chore, this little machine is gonna make your life a whole lot easier. First up, the Osmo rolling mopping system. Instead of just dragging a dirty mop around, this one scrubs your floor 200 times a minute while constantly rinsing itself with fresh water. No more spreading dirty water everywhere, it even cleans itself as it goes. It's got some serious edge cleaning skills too. The mop extends to reach right into tricky corners, and the built-in sensors help it hug walls without scuffing or bumping into everything. Even the side brush pops out to grab dust hiding in those hard to reach spots. When it comes to suction power, the X8 doesn't mess around. With 18,000 PA suction, translation, it's really strong, it tackles dirt, dust and pet hair like a pro. Plus, the Zero Tangle brush is designed to stop hair from getting tangled, so no more pulling out gross clumps out of your vacuum. No need to tread lightly, the X8 has got carpets covered. It vacuums carpets first to keep them dry, then mops the hard floors. Plus, it automatically adjusts to different carpet types for the best clean. The real magic is in its AI-powered navigation. It dodges obstacles in real time, whether that's furniture, shoes, or your pets wandering around, and if it comes across a stubborn stain, it will go back and mop the spot until it's spotless. And maintenance? Barely any. The Omni Station takes care of everything. Washing and drying the mop with hot air so there's no damp smell, emptying its own dustbin, and letting you go up to 90 days without lifting a finger. Oh, and you can even talk to it.
With Eco GPT, you can tell it to start cleaning, change modes, or tackle a specific spot.
Or from your phone, or with a voice command.
Okay, Eco.
So if you're ready to let a robot take over the vacuuming and mopping, check out the DEEBOT X8 Pro Omni, available at JB Hi-Fi. Pop into your local store or shop online at jbhifi.co.nz.